Your health will never be in check until you really decide to commit yourself in being disciplined. So put down your unhealthy timetable and choose the venture of being healthy if you really want to discipline your taste bud. As there's a quote which says, health is wealth. So in this journey and choosing of being healthy, our team Eastern Post is here at the Klein Gym, which is in the vicinity of Pasighat, located in Mirku Charali Earring Building, just opposite to All India Radio Station. Greetings everyone, this is Bompi Zerdo. So stay with us to know more about these gym facilities and its objectives. So stay tuned with Eastern Post.
मेरा नाम ओनम तरंग है, हम पासीघाट का ही है, यहाँ का रहने वाला है।
सर आज का प्रोग्राम में अब यहाँ पे जस्ट नया नया एक द क्लीन जिम जो जस्ट ओपन हुआ है, अब यहाँ पे आए तो आपको यहाँ पे आके देख के बहुत सारे इक्विपमेंट्स है जो कि अच्छा है यूथ्स लोग के लिए, तो इसको देख के आपको कैसा लगा प्रोग्राम को एंड इवन यहाँ का फिटनेस का जितना इक्विपमेंट्स?
हाँ, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ देख के, क्योंकि हमको बहुत इंटरेस्ट था, क्योंकि मेरा छोटा भाई बोला है कि हम एक जिम खोला है, इसको इनॉग्रेशन करेगा, आप जैसे भी आना है। और हम दिल से बहुत आने का दिल था और आया भी है, क्योंकि ये जिम जो है आज का दिन में बहुत हम लोग का यूथ्स के लिए अच्छा चीज़ है ना, क्योंकि हम लोग का यूथ्स लोग आजकल एक्सरसाइज आउटडोर गेम्स तो खेलना छोड़ दिया, कम से कम जिम करके अपना फिजिकल फिटनेस रहने से अच्छा है। हम लोग आदमी लोग आजकल जिम से ज़्यादा बाहर में ज़्यादा जाता है, जो कि बहुत ख़राब ट्रेंड है। आने वाला समय में भी ये चीज़ नहीं होना है, क्योंकि हम लोग जिम को अपना बॉडी को अच्छा से मेंटेन करके रखना, ये हम लोग का आने वाला कल के लिए, बेटर फ्यूचर के लिए। हर कोई आजकल ड्रग्स दारू ये सब में जा रहा है, इसलिए हम चाहता है मेरा यूथ भाई लोग को भी, छोटा जो हम लोग से जूनियर है उन लोग को भी सबको बोलना चाहेगा आप लोग का माध्यम से कि जैसे भी आप लोग भी जिम जैसा चीज़ में, आज जैसे कि ये क्लैन में ही आना है बोल के नहीं है, बहुत सारा जिम है, लेकिन ये एक बेहतर जिम है हमको जहाँ तक देखने में लग रहा है। यहाँ आके अपना बॉडी को वर्कआउट जरूर करें।
हेलो सर, फर्स्टली वेलकम टू ईस्टर्न पोस्ट। सर योर गुड नेम?
Thank you so much, Eastern Post. My name is Tajong Talom, and thank you so much for coming and during this inauguration of this gym. Thank you.
What is your name of the gym?
It's like the clan gym. Basically, clan gym means the community. It's like the meetup of the fitness enthusiastic. Basically, it's been derived from that. जो फिटनेस enthusiastic है, तो basically उसके लिए ये clan gym का नाम पे वो खोला है. That's the meaning of the name, the clan.
And its location?
This location is in adjacent to radio station Pasighat, and the building name is Earring Building.
Get inspired of opening this gym, and like were there any sort of like dreams?
Okay, that's a very interesting question. Actually, the thing is that I being myself a very kind of a fitness freak. Like from my childhood, I used to do every kind of sports, like every outdoor sports, like jack of all trades. but master no one. But gym is I feel like gym is the only platform that connect all the sports enthusiastic, be it footballer, be it cricketer, and then be it boxer, with any physical sports that need physical contact sport. The gym is the only platform for that, like kind of a bonding platform. So my inspiration is that only. That's the reason. And the thing is that nowadays the youths are into many illegal substances, and then kind of very they are into narcotics and drugs. So to kind of encourage them not to do that kind of stuff, and to substitute their hobby in fitness. So that's my inspiration to open this gym.
As we can see, there are lots of equipments. What do you have to say about the equipments? Is there any equipment that have been imported from outside?
Yeah, like all the in terms of equipment, it's a very very important factor. Equipment play a very important factor. In the high end product, the high-end equipment give very good result. And then most of my, not most, around 99.9% of my equipment is imported equipment. So I imported it from the different countries. So in the equipment sector, there is three type of equipment sector in India right now. One is the first class, that is US based product, and second one is China, Taiwan based product, and then the third one is Indian product. So what we can say is that the imported product in terms of Indian product is much better, like the range of motion, and then the exercise we will be performing in this in this imported equipment is more effective. It's a more dynamic range of motion compared to Indian one. Thank you.
And what will be the timing for the gym?
Timing schedule is in the morning, 4:30, and then after 4:30 to the office hour, whatever the timing the client want to use it, and then evening it's evening 2 to whatever time it maybe it will be open 2 to in up to the midnight at 9 or 10 or 11, whatever is the convenience of the client.
And also there will be some students who would like to join. So will there be any concession for the students?
Yeah, basically, that's I've been from a very humble background. In my childhood, I cannot afford to do gym in the high-end, good quality gym. So I have that in my mind, especially for the student community. I'll give the concession, those who will bring his student ID, there will 50% discount. So I have faced that, kind of experience in my childhood, because I being from very humble background, I couldn't afford to do gym. So I have that experience. So I don't want to share that experience with other student community. So 50% off, and then other concession will be given to the students.
That's a very good thing. And also, is there any target audience?
Yeah, target audience means I want to target the youth, especially the youth, not to not to waste their time in drugs and all alcoholic stuff, because nowadays health is should be primary concern for each and everyone, not only youth, the elder one also. So my target audience is basically to the youth, due to the rising. You can see that in Arunachal Pradesh, in our state, around there in a town, almost 70% of the shop are wine shop, 3% is book shop. So to counter that measure, this kind of gym is very important. So my target audience should be the youth of this state. Thank you.
So lastly, what message would you like to give? Message.
Oh, the message, I'm emphasizing again and again that lead a healthy and a very healthy and a very fit life. instead of like kind of being into drugs and alcohol, don't be a liability to the society. Give something back to the society. Thank you.
Healthy mind lives in a healthy body, especially for the youths who are using narcotic substances. Avail this opportunity as it is in the vicinity of Pasigat, the Clean Gym. So this is it for today. This is Bompi Zirdo reporting for Eastern Post with cameraman Krishna Prasad.